Hello, I'm a mess, but this is the beginning of my getting ready for Electric Forest video. I'm so excited that it's finally here. We are about a month out right now, which is way earlier than I intended to start this video. I was planning on starting it like a week before Electric Forest, but I'm realizing that I was pretty prepared this year and I ordered everything that I need pretty much already, and for the most part it's coming from Amazon instead of having to go to any stores. So I figure instead of making that video really boring, I'll just start the video now and it will be over the span of some time. Packages. Well, one package has been picked up. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Honestly, don't even know what's going to be inside this package. I ordered so much stuff. Ooh, a belt. I might actually wear this weekend. I'm going to freestyle sessions this weekend, so this is all, like I said, from Amazon. I'm confused. Assuming I just keep wrapping this around. Wait, that's kind of sick. Not mad. This was like 20 bucks. I'll link it down below. That's cool. What the heck? I'm so happy. This is so much better than anything else I saw online too, and it was cheap. Oh, this is not what I thought it was gonna be. These are supposed to be disco ball earrings, but I thought they were gonna be so much smaller. They're not that heavy, but like I don't like wearing heavy earrings at all and like ignore my acne, but these actually aren't bad. I actually kind of like them. They're way bigger than I thought they'd be. These will be fun for an outfit, definitely. And they were pretty cheap. I think they were like 8 bucks or something, and it came with 3 pairs. Finally, you can see a ring light, but these little rings to put in my braids because I'm gonna get my hair done, as you'll see at the end of this video, one of the last things I have to do before Forest. So everyone, please ignore my current state again. I am just packing, as you can see, for freestyle sessions. I filmed my video about that yesterday, so if you want to see how to pack and carry on, you can check that out. I got more packages. So today's June 5th, which means we have exactly 21 days till I leave. So this is my second round of packages. Before I get into the packages, I also picked up some blister band-aids today. So I got the ones for toes and the ones for your heels, and these are pretty expensive, but it's worth it. It's way better than your feet being in a ton of pain. This is like #1 necessity for me. I won't go to a festival without this. Okay, so I got this keychain, this necklace. It's like handcuffs. It's longer than I expected, but it's kind of sick actually. Wait, that's actually kind of perfect. Maybe I wanted a little, I was picturing it like this, but like this is good too. I can try to figure out a way to shorten it. I am not mad about that. That's sick. And this is again from Amazon for like no money. What is the use of all this packaging? These are not what I thought they were gonna be. These kind of stink. I wanted these puffy earrings. And they are not very puffy and they are extremely bent. What is that? I guess they look pretty. I guess I could get away with these if I straighten them out. I want them to be bigger, but this will do. This pair looks much better. Okay, these I think are cool, kind of. They're a little crazy, but like that's the point. Yeah, those are winners. We're bringing these. One of my outfits that I already was like thinking was a little bit out of my comfort zone for like current state of the shape that I'm in, but I decided to get pasties, which makes it a whole other level of out of my comfort zone. We'll see if I end up wearing these, but they came in a pack with like all of these. Can't barely freaking see them because these tags, but it's windy, but I'm on my way to get my weave. I'm driving right now, so it's super windy, but I'm going over, oh fuck, I'm supposed to be taking this exit, that's why you're not supposed to drive and vlog. I am going to like Inglewood. I'm actually going to House of Hair on Slauson. It's right next to the Marathon store. Fun fact, when I was going to get this hair for Coachella, it was the same day as the Nipsey Hussle funeral memorial thing, and like I've never seen so much craziness in my life, but anyway, I decided to go there today. It's Sunday. I've been completely failing at getting ready, so today is like the big day to go do all my last minute stuff. So I'm gonna go get the hair for my braids, and I still literally have no idea what color I'm getting. I think I'm probably, I literally have no idea. I can't decide between blonde or like literally neon rainbow, and we'll find out what happens. We're here. What colors are we gonna get? I do not know.
Hello, welcome.
This is stressful. Okay, I think I want this to be my inspo picture, but it's like pink and orange, and then it fades to white at the bottom. And all of these colors are truly stressing me the fuck out. I don't know if you can mix brands, but I'm thinking if I do this pink with this orange and then the blonde, the pink kind of goes into white, and then I get this blonde, it will create this look.
What's the number again? 605 809 648.
I've just been running errands, and truthfully, I feel like I have a shopping problem and just want to go shopping, so I'm buying shit that I can't afford and then avoiding editing. I don't know why, like literally can't get myself to make any of these freestyle videos. I haven't posted in like 2 freaking weeks, and now I have 3 days until I'm going to Forest, and I have to post this video, 2 freestyles videos, and my Forest schedule video, so I don't know what I'm avoiding. It's already 4 p.m. I need to pack. I need to probably make at least 2 to 3 videos tonight, so kill me. So like I said, I got that hair. I decided to get the neon pink into white, the orange, and the white, and I have like a little inspo photo that basing that off of. And just went to Ulta to exchange my ColourPop concealer for the color that actually matches. I kind of wanted to get the James Charles palette, but I ended up getting this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and oh wow, that's actually freaking perfect. I'm never holding it in here again. I got this Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it was only $20, and the James Charles palette was sold out. I should have gotten it yesterday, but I was like, I can't be stupid and buy this $40 palette when I have no money. But this one was only $20, and they're all shimmery shades, which I would have rather the matte shades, but let's be real, I feel like I don't know how to do makeup anyway, so I don't even know why I'm buying this. I'm gonna try to create some makeup looks tonight. I got all of these rainbow colors. I'm really excited to test out some stuff tonight. They're not gonna be very hard because, like I said, I don't really know how to do makeup, but I wonder if there's any tutorials online with this palette. I really like BH Cosmetics. From what I've tried with them, it feels really high quality, but it's like a midway price point. Does anyone else ever buy like the fruit on the side of the road from like random people? I've never done it in LA, but it's like a very common way to get food in Asia, and when I traveled there, I would get fruit on the side of the road like every single day. So there might be a hair in this, but I'm gonna pretend like that didn't happen. This is like bringing me back down memory lane. Okay, so right now I'm like charging all of my portable chargers. I have this one, and I also have this one, but I know a lot of my friends have this one. So I'm gonna put stickers on each of my chargers, so I will always know which one is mine. I think I just got this sticker, like someone just handed it to me at a festival. And I know that my friend is giving me a Base Nectar sticker when I get there, so I might just wait till I get that one. Actually, nah, just in case he forgets it. This is the important one. Now I'll always know. I also got some Airborne. I decided to get, how the freak do I open this? I decided to get the gummies, so I hate the way the other ones taste, literally. But they have the same amount of vitamin C in them, so I'm trying to have as much vitamin C as possible before I get there, because I'm actually still sick from freestyle sessions. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be using this face mask. I'm gonna be using equal parts of the mask and apple cider vinegar. Ooh, That's too much, I think. Okay, now I'm going to apply this mask. Trying to get my skin better before Forest because my skin has been a mess ever since I moved to California and I have not been able to get it under control. But I just started using this mask and I've heard really good things about it. I'm filming this on my phone because I'm trying to film another video and I'm just struggling so hard because the camera keeps dying and I have been having this problem and it's literally making me so freaking angry. I'm about to use these ear candles. I've never used these before. My friend just used them and he said he's like, it felt like he's never heard before once he used them. So I'm gonna see if like I can seriously clear out my ears and get some amazing music quality, which is just the most ridiculous thing I've ever done. But I also feel like it's gonna feel so good and it will clean out my ears, which is good. Let's see how this goes. So I'm just sticking it through this hole because I don't have a paper plate. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm doing this. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever done in my entire life. I should really be like packing or like editing a video because I'm so stressed out right now. The thing that I'm best at is like completely shutting down and I have too many things to do, so that's what I'm doing. I'm doing something kind of pointless. And this is probably not the safest to be doing in my bed, but oh my god. So now I'm just gonna lay down. It says to do it for 10 minutes. It's 9:39. Stuck this thing in my ear. This is, I can like hear it burning. It's supposed to act like a vacuum. We'll update this for sure, a fire hazard, but I'm just sitting here watching Aspen Ovard while I'm waiting for my camera to charge.
A girl or a boy, I love it, but I also...
My room is a disaster, but this is the current packing situation. It's Monday, like 11 p.m. and I hate myself because I waited, and tomorrow I'm getting my hair braided. But I'm not bringing a carry-on. I am bringing a full-size luggage, so we'll see how this turns out. And we're FaceTiming my friend Eco. Watch out, I'm doing a video with a get ready with me video. Oh my god, you look so cute. I'm dead. I'm pinching your cheeks. I'm fully aware that this is disgusting, that I have my shoes on my white sheets, but I bought these insoles from Rite Aid and I'm just gonna cut along them and put them in my boots because I get blisters so freaking easily. I've never used insoles before, but I feel like these like can't hurt, and I also am like gonna furiously wrap my ankle. At Coachella it looked like I literally sprained an ankle, but it was just because of blisters. Multitasking, editing a vlog or trying to get the freestyles vlog up and this vlog up before I leave, and about to get my hair done. Yay, finally gonna have some cute braids. That way I won't have to do my hair the whole week. The lighting is for sure terrible and I look like this because I just got my bomb ass braids done from Mercedes at First Class Braids LA. She's the best. Me and my friend Brianna got our braids done from her at Coachella, so I knew I had to go back to her for Forest because it makes everything so much easier, so you don't have to do your hair at all or think about it all weekend, and it makes your life so much easier. I didn't do everything I need to do. Like, I finished packing and my bag's definitely like a little bit more than 50 pounds, but we'll pray. And then did not put my laundry away that I did last night. I'm an idiot, but this is the truth. I needed to edit videos and I still wanted to get this one up before I left, but that is absolutely not happening. It's 2:30 in the morning. This will be my third night in a row getting like 3 or 4 hours of sleep going into this weekend. I absolutely hate myself. I know I'm gonna regret this all so much, but it's for the vlogs. Yeah, I'm just getting up my freestyles video because those need to be wrapped up before I leave. I'm going to post the recap in the vlog right now. That is my getting ready for Electric Forest video. I will probably continue to do these for any festivals I have coming up if you like them. Be sure to look out for my vlogs coming, and there should be some other videos coming from Electric Forest weekend, so please subscribe if you want to see those. and any other festival content, because there's definitely more to come. I love the lighting, so sorry about that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, follow me on Instagram too if you want to see the photos, because there will probably be some bomb ones this year.